I could run with you. And from what I have heard, you do the same thing too. I wanna say forever, we could be good together.
Good morning, everyone. We made it out to the beach again. So this is our beach day. So we plan on spending more time out here, maybe just explore the area, but super excited for this. It's so warm. It's absolutely amazing. I haven't checked the temperature today, but I'm guessing it's in the 90s and it feels wonderful. I love it. We are at Cocoa Beach. So we actually we drove past the parts of the beach that are super popular to tourists and stuff. Well, I'd imagine they are, because it was much more crowded. So we kept driving and we found another little place. It has free parking. So this is a tip if you're in this area. Drive past all of what seems like the popular spots so that you can find a place that's probably, I'm guessing, more of where the locals would come. That's a guess. But it's less crowded out here and the parking is free. Yes, we love free. And right now, Joshua is out in the ocean. I'm gonna go take a dip in a minute and we're just gonna enjoy this amazing day.
Better too late than never. You know we could do better. So take a chance and run with me. Everywhere we go, we turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. Everywhere we go, we'll turn to paradise. All I know is that
we just drove further south along the coast and we're now in Melbourne. We stopped at this little place called Paradise Treats for a slush and an ice cream sandwich. And it is absolutely beautiful here. Guys, we are at our second beach. So this is the beach that was right outside of that little food stand that we stopped at. And yeah, it is just amazing. It's so nice out here. We've been swimming in the ocean and it is absolutely wonderful. All right, guys, we made it back to the hotel room. And we're laughing hysterically because I always start my videos with, all right, guys. So we made it back to the hotel room. It's been an amazing day. We did a lot today. We left the hotel a lot earlier than yesterday. Well, maybe not a lot, but like 2 hours earlier than yesterday. So we had more time to get more in, and we went to Cocoa Beach and hung out for a bit, and then we drove further south to Melbourne Beach. And those were the two beaches we hung out at today. They were awesome. We swam in the ocean. It was so much fun. And then for lunch, we ate at Mustard's Famous Hot Dogs in Melbourne. That place is awesome. Highly recommend if you're in the area. I had a Reuben hot dog that was really, really awesome. And then after that, we just drove back to Orlando and got ready for our anniversary celebration dinner, which was super fun. We went to Dragonfly Robata Grill and Sushi, and that place is absolutely amazing. 5 stars, excellent service, and the food was so good. We had sushi, sashimi, and pot stickers, and what were those other things called? And like sticky buns, no, bao buns, bao buns or something. I don't know. They were really, really good. So we highly recommend that if you're in Orlando. It's just near like SeaWorld and like all the parks and stuff. So highly recommend that. We are exhausted again, but the good kind of exhausted. So we are getting ready to go to sleep, and we'll see you guys for day number 3 tomorrow. Bye. All right, guys. All right, guys.